Thinking about buying a 3D printer but not sure which one to pick? A wrong choice can waste time, money, and give poor print quality. With so many options, ultra-fast 600 millimeters per second, large build volumes, multicolor printing, and smart auto leveling, which one really gives the best value? In this video, I've analyzed reviews and ratings to bring you the top 5 best 3D printers, perfect for home use, small business, prototyping, or professional projects. Check the links below for latest prices and best deals, and watch till the end to see which one is right for you. Let's get started.
Item number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Experience hassle-free 3D printing with fully automatic bed leveling for flawless first layers, saving time and effort. The CoreXY structure delivers ultra-fast 600 millimeters per second printing with precise results, perfect for rapid prototyping or mass production. Enjoy quick 3-second nozzle swaps, a 280° C direct extruder, dual fan nozzles, and multiple nozzle sizes for superior print quality. Features like a dual-sided PEI platform, vibration compensation, and fast 35-second warm-up make printing stable and efficient. Plus, with the FlashMaker app, you can monitor your prints remotely. Ideal for creators who want speed, precision, and convenience all in one powerful 3D printer. Item number 4. Creality K2 Combo 3D Printer. Experience next-level multicolor 3D printing with the Creality K2 Combo, capable of printing up to 16 colors using 4 CFS units. With a 260, 260 millimeter build volume, it handles most projects with ease. Enjoy ultra-quiet printing thanks to step servo motors and balanced fans. The smart auto leveling with AI camera quickly and precisely levels only the target print area while monitoring prints in real time. Built on a sturdy metal frame with precise step servo motors, it delivers superior print quality, consistent extrusion, and accurate results. Pre-assembled for plug-and-play setup, the K2 Combo is perfect for creators seeking speed, precision, and vibrant multicolor prints. Item number 3. Anycubic Cobra 3 Max Combo 3D Printer. Bring your creations to life with the Anycubic Cobra 3 Max Combo, featuring a jumbo 420x420x500 millimeters build volume for oversized models like wall art, pet playgrounds, or DIY projects. Print in stunning colors with 4-color multicolor printing, expandable to 8 colors by pairing Ace Pro units. Achieve ultra-fast 600 millimeters per second printing with high-precision SG15 bearings and dual-axis core design for stability and precision. Smart AI recognition monitors prints in real time, pausing automatically if issues like spaghetti occur. Pre-tested and backed by 24/7 support and a 1-year warranty, the Cobra 3 Max Combo is perfect for creators who demand speed, scale, and vibrant multicolor results. Item number 2. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE 3D Printer. Upgrade your 3D printing experience with the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, featuring high-speed printing up to 250 millimeters per second and 2500 millimeters per second acceleration to save time without compromising quality. Its Sprite full-metal dual-gear direct extruder ensures smooth, reliable filament feeding for PLA, TPU, PEG, and more. Enjoy CR Touch auto leveling with strain sensor and effortless dual Z-axis stability, reducing wobble and improving accuracy. Quick auto filament loading-unloading makes material changes simple, while pre-assembly lets you start printing in just 20 minutes. Backed by Creality's 12-month support, the Ender 3 V3 SE delivers speed, precision, and worry-free operation, perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike. Item number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. Unleash your creativity with the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro, featuring ultra-fast 600 millimeters per second printing and rapid 35-second nozzle warm-up. Its CoreXY all-metal frame ensures stability for precise, high-speed prints, while multiple nozzle sizes, 0.25, 0.8 millimeters, let you balance speed with intricate detail. Enjoy smart, automatic bed leveling with pressure sensing, dual-sided PEI platform, and toolless model removal for hassle-free printing. Fully compatible with PLA, ABS, PETG, ASA, TPU, PC, and carbon fiber filaments, its 280 direct extruder guarantees consistent, reliable results. With the FlashMaker mobile app, monitor progress, adjust parameters, and control prints remotely. Perfect for creators seeking speed, precision, and versatile material capability.
Which of these 3D printers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.